know if you can see, but I've got a wall cloud forming here. I'm just on I-40 west of Lewisburg. This complex of storms here has had some history of rotation, and even behind this, it looks like there's even some lowering there as well. But just saw this little feature here start to form, and was in a good spot, so I pulled off to the side here. Hopefully we can get some backlighting with or I would get some lightning here to give us some contrast. But this whole area has just had little notches and areas of rotation all night. So I'm going to drive up here a little bit and see if I can get a better shot. That feature looks like it's dissipated a little bit. But there's been some pretty tight indications, some pretty sharply paired up couplets here on the radar within the last 10 minutes. It'll cycle through really good signature, and then another part of the storm will start rotation. And it's been interesting, some of these tornado warning polygon boxes have gone up, and then almost immediately they'll issue one just west of that, almost like little spin-ups are happening on the outflow or something. And I don't know, but this has been a pretty dynamic complex of storms that have moved through central Indiana this afternoon into tonight. So I'm on 40 East, Highway 40, headed towards Lewisburg. Time's about 10:46. Hopefully you get up here to a little bit of a better clearing to kind of see here some more structure. I'm going to get an update here on my radar too. Make sure I'm in as good a position as I can get. These storms have meant business all night. That even after nightfall, after the sun's gone down, it's maintained its strength and cycled in and out, and they just keep extending the tornado warnings further and further east. And lots of energy to work with still yet. This whole complex will is probably going to congeal into a mesoscale convective system here, and maybe lose some of these supercellular characteristics that these storms have had just west of the Ohio line. And got some damage here. Some minor tree damage, limb damage. Be on the lookout here for stuff on the road. I don't know if anything really passed through this area, but we're coming in right behind it. Even some RFD winds or some just regular straight line winds. Get out of these trees here. It's have a better shot at seeing some more structure. Rain free right now. Some more limb damage on the road. This area right here looks pretty interesting. Every now and then I can see a glimpse through some of the trees. It looks like a lowered base, but it's awfully hard to tell. Some more limb damage here, limb trees on the... But this also looks fairly enticing too, but really hard to tell at night right now. I want to get up to the top of this rise in the road. Leaves, some twigs. More, gosh, there could be some limbs on the ground. I gotta watch out here. There's the tornado. Oh my goodness. Right there it is. Right there it is. That is a tornado on the ground. Looks like it to me. Yep. Tornado on the ground right there.